Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to bring back the old Microsoft Office Picture Manager on Windows 11 with Office 2016 or 2013, even though Microsoft removed it. Don't worry, you can still install and use it easily. First, you need to download Microsoft SharePoint Designer 2010. You can find the download link in the description below, or search Microsoft SharePoint Designer 2010 in Google, and select Microsoft website link. Once downloaded, open the setup file. Accept the license agreement and click Continue. Now this step is important. Click on Customize, not Install. Go to the Office Tools section. Then find Microsoft Office Picture Manager, click on it, and choose Run from My Computer. If you don't want other programs, right-click on each item and select Not Available. After that, click on Install Now. Wait for the installation to complete. Once done, open the Start menu and search for Picture Manager. That's it. You now have Microsoft Office Picture Manager working on Windows 11. This tool is great for quick editing like cropping, resizing, and adjusting images. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.